Hi, how are you? I'm here with my mom, and we're gonna go ahead and have a snack because we had kind of a late lunch, which is sort of like an early dinner. So, hence, the biggest cucumber I've ever seen. It's bigger than my head. So I bet you this thing is delicious. I've been waiting to indulge in this, but I wanted to like save it for cooking with Corin. Welcome to Cooking with Corin. Listen to my recipes or I'm gonna hit you over the head. Just kidding. This thing is crazy. Okay, so let's begin. I already washed it, all right, so we're good to go. Now, do I wanna get the skinnier side or the bigger side? Let's see. How about the bigger side? So this is how I cut a cucumber. And by the way, we're making cucumber salad. And did you know that cucumber, well, let me ask you, is cucumber a vegetable or a fruit? Please put your comment in the answer. The answer in the comment. All right, please put your comment and let me know if you know all the benefits of a cucumber. A cucumber is actually a creeping vine from the gourd family. So apparently, like vegetables and fruits, they have families too. And it actually has a lot of water, so it's really good for you if you're like recovering. It has a lot of health benefits. It's packed with vital nutrients, which I didn't know any of this either. I literally was getting ready and I was thinking, I have a date with a cucumber. So I'm glad you guys are joining in, and I'm going to show you, lately I've been addicted to ranch dressing. So I'm going to use some ranch dressing in the cucumber salad today. So I know a lot of you have told me before, why don't you get a little peeler or whatever? I don't know, because I like using a knife, so it's just fun. I don't know why I don't want to use the peeler. So you could leave a little bit of the green on there. It's actually quite nutritious. So how do you like your cucumber salad? Some people slice it and some people dice it. I think that since I'm going to be using the creamy sauce instead of the oil and vinegar sauce, but we are going to have some of the oil and vinegar after this in a second. So stay tuned. So I think I'm going to chunk them. So I'm going to cut them kind of pretty wide, wider than if I would have sliced them. And now I want to stack them and just slice them down once, and then one more time. All right. So here we have it, and that's not like quite enough. I want a little more, so let's get some. Like I said, it's okay to get the skin a little bit. It actually adds a little bit of texture and flavor. So again, slice and dice. Okay, now I want to do a little bit of lemon. I add lemon to a lot of stuff. It pretty much purifies the food. All right. Now, you're gonna love this. So, I'm not gonna make my own homemade dressing here. I'm just looking for a quick snack. And actually, cucumbers have an array of minerals, which is really awesome. It's low calorie, making them a top pick for weight loss. So we don't need that anymore. Although, yes we do. So we're gonna add a little variety to this dish because we had a late lunch, but we are sort of hungry, more hungrier than a cucumber salad. So I figured I'd add a nice avocado in there and we could have a variety of 2 different dishes in one. Oh, and that's a perfect one. Oh my God, yeah. Woo, I'm so lucky. Okay, so this is how I dice the avocado. I just slice it in there and then carve it out. Now I'm gonna put that around the plate, like sort of like a decor, because that one's gonna have a separate dressing. That one's gonna be the oil and vinegar. You could take your favorite salad dressing and just, so you could have a creamy, have you ever like So I was thinking to myself, I'm going to do a creamy dish. No, I'm going to do an oil and vinegar. No, I'm going to do a creamy. How about both? So that's when I thought, grab the avocado, garnish the plate on the edges, and go for it. Have both, you know? Eat the cake. Take that vacation. All right. So now I want to drizzle a little bit of fresh dill. Beautiful fresh dill that I washed and cut. I diced it a little. So I'm going to drizzle that on top of the cucumber. And now I'm going to get some cracked pepper. Let's see. There it is. And that goes on the cucumber also. See if we can get any more lemon out of there. Hey guys. Thanks for your comments. I love you and I miss you. Thanks for joining today. Thanks for watching. And if you aren't subscribed, have you thought about subscribing? And you could also press the notifications. You could do that on Facebook, and that's follow, and that's called followers on Facebook, and on YouTube it's called subscribers. And then I also have private groups where I make members only videos, and I do that on Facebook, and those are called subscribers. Pretty interesting, right? Just hit a button and you'll figure it out. And then on YouTube it's called members, so go figure, but only an influencer would know that, like, technically, right? All you know is follow, subscribe. Follow on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube. If you want to join more, hit other buttons. Member, join. Thank you. Okay, so we have some more avocado here, and we're gonna slice it up. And we're gonna garnish the edges of the plate. Oh, there's more. You can't leave any. All right. Great. Now we're gonna like center things a little bit. Now goes the sauces. So like I said, the avocado, I want to have my favorite Italian dressing. And so if you want to know what that is, you can send me an email and I'll tell you, but I can't say it in the video. So you just kind of make a circle around, and some of that will get into your cream sauce, which is going to be the ranch dressing. So why deprive yourself? You can have the best of both worlds. So now I'm going to put a good amount of ranch, and I'm not going to like mix it in or nothing. I just want it to like drape over. That way you still get a flavor for the cucumber. Great. And now I'm going to take my salt with iodized, which is a healthy, necessary nutrient. And I'm going to give it a nice amount, because every time I put cucumber, you have to have salt. You just have to. And if you can't, because your diet doesn't allow it, then I'm so sorry. No, I just wish you could, because cucumber is the best with salt. So maybe you can give it 1 dash. They just pretty much mean in excess, so be careful. And see if we can get a little more lemon on the top. Gorgeous, delicious. And I still have half a cucumber left. So lucky for the salads for tomorrow or the next day. We eat a lot of salads around here. Thank you for watching. I really love you. I appreciate you. And Mom, we got this. I'm gonna chill this. I'm gonna chill this in the freezer for about 7 minutes. And you might think that's long, right? But you want it to be crispy. I always chill all my salads. So here we go. Thank you for cooking with Corin. I love you, and I'm gonna pop this in the freezer. And thanks for the stars. I really appreciate you so much. They help me continue to make videos and buy houses. And also, thank you for this location that you've provided me over the years. everybody who's been generous. I literally bought a house, another house. So I've had several, and that's another playlist of mine, but we won't get into that. I'm taking a break from real estate right now because it's kind of inflated. So anyway, this is our delicious salad, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. It's going to get crisp and still stay juicy. I'm going to put it like 6-7 minutes, and that's it. And then probably get starved and have a sandwich in the middle of the night. I love you guys. Thank you for joining. I'm so happy you're here. Be blessed. Love you.